Hey guys, what's up? I'm just waking up. It's about 7 a.m. here and I have to be at the boat in 4 hours and we are getting underway for 3 months. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm in the military and I'm currently stationed on a ship. We get underway for about half the year. So I'm gonna go get packing because I haven't even packed. So that's what this video is for. Cool. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try and pack everything I'm gonna bring in that and that. That's not including the bag that I'm bringing for my DIY project. So this is the backpack that I usually bring with me everywhere. It has like a little slot for my iPad to go. So I'm just gonna put that in there really quick. Packed. And then I'm also gonna put my study binder in here. This is what I've been using to study for, so there's a test that we take to make rank. So I've been using that. And my planner, a little book that I take notes in when I'm studying. I'm also gonna put my toiletries in here. These are new, I just got them. This is for all of my toiletry. This is my new makeup bag. I got them on Amazon. I've got, oops. I like to keep it minimalist as far as toiletries go. And then I've got my toothbrush with this thing. I have a little tiny razor. I have a full deodorant, full face cream. This is where I keep all of my Q-tips, nail clippers, and a random clip. So those will go all in. And inside of my locker, I actually have the full versions of, this is just shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and then this is a bar of soap that I actually wash my face with. Sorry if you guys aren't approving of that. So these will actually come out so it won't be so squashed in here. And then this is all of my makeup. Also, my hair dryer and my straightener aren't coming with me because I don't really blow dry my hair or straighten my hair underway. I have before, and I tripped a breaker and failed that. So these are going in there. I'm just gonna keep this open because I don't know if I'm gonna add anything more to it. Then I'm gonna actually just try and throw all my clothes in here that I'm gonna bring. The pajamas that I have on right now, I'm gonna be packing. I'm only packing one set of pajamas. I'm gonna try and keep it pretty minimalist with stuff that I'm bringing. And I'm just gonna bring like a couple of outfits that I can interchange to go with each other. If you've ever heard of a capsule wardrobe, I'm gonna try and just keep it simple like that. So I'm gonna bring this pair of jeans and then another pair of jeans that's still in the dryer right now. So I'm gonna grab those in a second. And then these are just yoga pants, 3 pairs. So there's that other pair of jeans. And then here's a mixture of tees and tanks that I'm gonna bring with me. And I'm gonna bring a hoodie. And that should all fit in here. And then the only pair of shoes I'm gonna be bringing is my flip-flops, a pair of Chucks. We're in our uniform 90% of the time, so the only times that we're gonna be wearing our civilian clothes is when we're working out, sleeping, and have a port call and we get off the ship. So I'm not gonna overdo it with all the civilian clothes. If I were packing heavier, I would probably roll everything or use my packing cubes. When I get to the boat, I'm just gonna be unpacking all this, so it doesn't matter really how it's packed. It's not like I'm living out of a backpack or anything. I'm actually gonna save this pouch for all of my underwear and my socks and stuff. All my uniforms are on the boat already, by the way. So this is a bag I already have set up all of the project type stuff in one thing. So I actually picked up these guys. Carbon paper. So we actually have a 23-foot North River fishing boat and it's called the Kraken. And we actually just bought a boathouse for it. And I'm gonna make a really cute sign for it that says the Kraken's lair. And it's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna try my hand at carving. And then this one I'm probably gonna do like a family sign on it. I haven't totally decided. I've got stain with me. These are paint pens. I may or may not do the family sign with painting instead of carving. The Kraken sign is gonna determine whether or not I feel like I could carve. So I bought some carving tools for my Dremel. My Dremel is on the boat right now. I have a lot of tools on the boat. I'm actually in an administrative position and I do paperwork, that's my job. But you'd be surprised, a lot of people come asking me for tools. And really quick, I'll just show you what I have done on the boat in the past. So on our last 3-month patrol, I did these. I did 100 of them, 10 of these rod holders with 10 PVC pipes. So I made those on our last patrol. This is the other project that I did underway. These are actually bullet casings from one of our 50 cals that I shot. I begged to be on the 50 cal team, so I got to go shoot it. It's a big machine gun. And so these are 5 of the casings that actually just fell to the ground after I shot them. So I was like, I'm gonna make something out of those. And then I see this is the carving that I did. It's not really great. It wasn't a tool specifically for carving. It was just a piece of my Dremel that I used. And I kind of just pissed off the wood and did my name on there. I still need to do a layer of poly on this. I haven't yet, I did stain it. So those are my projects from the last patrol. I told myself no projects this time, but I really can't say no to DIY. My husband said we needed a sign for the boathouse and I was like, oh my God, I'm on it. But other than that, I'm just gonna be studying with all my free time underway. And then I actually have 2 cups that I'm bringing. This is what I've been trying to drink water out of. And then my coffee cup. I'm just gonna be bringing this one pole. My tackle box. My husband actually made all the liters for me out of the 60-pound test that I have. You probably don't care about this actually. Bringing that too. So all in all, I'm bringing all this stuff and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready because I'm running out of time. Okay, so now that I'm pretty much ready to go, I'm gonna go over everything that I forgot. Okay, number 1, my laptop. I'm going to put that in here. Was that it? I think that was it. Oh, here's another thing I forgot. That's coffee creamer. And, oh, I forgot something else. I also have a bag of soap. And then in this pocket, I think I'm just gonna put all of my chargers and stuff. These are 2 hard drives I have. I have movies on one, and then I was gonna put policy manuals on the other one so that I could study, and I forgot, so I'm gonna have to wait until our first port call so that I can download those. So I'm gonna shove all these into the backpack. All right, guys, so that was it. I'm actually done. It's only 8:50, so I woke up at 7, I showered, I packed, I got ready, packed all the stuff I forgot, and I'm pretty much ready to go now. All of my coffee creamers went in that green bag right there that is just from a grocery store, and I don't think there's much else. I will see you in 3 months. Bye.